Thank you, team, and thanks for joining. My name is Mohammad Imran, and I was having around 10 years of experience, out of which 8 plus years of experience with ServiceNow. So basically, I was worked with 2 to 3 MNC companies, and currently as well, I was working with MNC company. So I have worked with all the banking clients like HSBC, Citibank, LBG, and I have also worked with multiple domains like finance, Walters Kluwer, and all those type of organizations I have been working for. And I was working as a team lead currently, and I was having and handling around 10 members in my team. So yeah, this is a brief about me. And why to choose JPS ServiceNow trainings is like I will be giving you the real time scenarios. So as because I was working in a good MNC company, I have my own instances. That means there will be some instances actually, instances in the sense where you can practice it. So what's the difference between other consultancies and Meng is like I will be showing you the real-time scenarios and I will be noting down all the interview questions, all those things. Okay. And later on, you can easily crack the interviews on your own. So there will be multiple people in our team so that there was some of them are not working, some of them are technically working, but they are not satisfied with their jobs. Some of them are working, but they are from non-IT. So even if you are doing non-IT as well, you will get around 50 to 50,000 or 60,000 at the max. So comparatively, I'm saying ServiceNow is the best tool to learn and earn very well. Why? Because even if you are having good experience in non-IT, see, comparatively, software job is very easy comparing to non-IT. Non-IT is the toughest job. Why? Because for the first 2 to 3 years, I have been working for non-IT. Later on, I have moved to IT actually. So if you are doing non-IT, that would be very, 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 very hard. To be honest, I'm saying why? Because daily basis you need to prepare for the process. What is the process you have to understand? You have to understand the total process clearly. Even if you are working in Amazon, multiple people will come to me now. So stating that they are working for Amazon, they are working for some HCL, Cognizant, Google process, those and these process, those type of process they will be working, and they will say that they will be working for minimum 12 hours a day. But a software engineer doesn't work that much time. Most probably he will work for only 2 to 3 hours. Most probably, not much. So nowadays, I'm honestly saying now, they are calling to office. Okay, even you should be ready with all your stuff. You have to learn very well. Okay, so nowadays, non-IT people definitely they have to go to the office. But for softwares, there will be some scenarios like we can take permissions. Okay, there are some organizations specifically they are working for home itself. They have been opened some organizations virtually itself. There will be no offline over there office, so that they will work only for on I mean work from home opportunities will be there. For service now, I'm saying Nama, out of 8 years, most probably I have went to the office only for 30 days, I guess. 30 days. Literally, I'm saying I have gone to the office only for 30 days, I guess. That is also for here and there. But nowadays, as I am in a good position, they are not asking me to come into the organizations. But you will be going as in some 3 to 4 years of experience. You will keep some experience and go to the organizations, right? So they will definitely they can call you. I can't promise you that they will definitely call you, but there are most situations where you have to call. So that's the reason getting the job is very simple to me. In my consultancy, honestly, I'm saying it is very easy to get the job. The only thing is to survive. Surviving is most important now. There will be some guys who will come to me and say that I don't want to prepare anything else. I just need the job. I will give you the some funds. Just try to get me the job and place me. No, I will not accept it anymore. I haven't accepted in the past. I haven't accept in the future as well. The only thing is like you have to stand on your own legs. Okay, you have to make your pockets ready. Okay, so the only thing is like you have to be very sincere in learning. Okay, if you learn very well, even if you are there in any of the organizations, even if you are going to the office 5 days a day as well, no problem at all. The minimum basic salary which the ServiceNow developer will get is like 70,000 for sure. Indian rupees, I'm saying. I have placed multiple people within USA, London, Canada, Australia, each and every country I have touched. Ma. I have placed here all the countries as well. In all the countries, my candidates are there. So even if you placed in any of the organizations as well, my students will be there. You need not to bother about it. We will definitely help you. They will also definitely help to you. Okay. So actually, my throat is having some cold. Let me drink some water. Okay. Just give me a minute. So yeah. So before that, I just wanted to understand here that how many people are working professionals and how many people are, I mean, those who know the service now and joined for preparing well. Do anyone here? Anyone else are working or like that?
Hello, Imran. I am working in non-IT.
Okay. So how many hours you will work actually?
9 hours.
See, the life scenario is Arun. Okay. From how many years you are working now?
3 years, 1 month.
Okay. You joined as a fresher?
Yes, yes, Imran.
Okay, okay. When's your BTech passed out year?
21.
Mhm.
Hello.
Got you, got you. So as you can see here, he is working for 9 hours a day. Even if you are in a service now or whatever the tool which you learn, ma, I'm saying na, even if you are having zero knowledge is also fine for me. Okay, I will be there to help you. I will definitely help you for sure. Okay, so basically in this particular meeting, we will cover all the benefits, what is the key background of me, what subject matter expertise, what I will teach you, and what all the modules are available in ServiceNow, why we will call ServiceNow as a low code development, why everyone can understand ServiceNow very clearly. I will tell you the all the basic things and everything for now. Okay, so my training will be like from the starting, I will train with the help of some diagrammatical representations. So that's the reason, even if you are in a non-technical or non-background areas as well, you will definitely get a good idea. So I have started my career in 2014 actually with a strong focus on service now and related technologies as well, as I said in the past. So I have worked with MNC organizations, as I said you again. So yeah, I have trained around 1,000 students, apart more than 1,000 itself. I have taught for USA only. There is one batch actually. There are 80 members in that batch actually. So basically, all the consultancies will tie up with me. Okay, so once after the consultancies has been tied up with me, they will be giving me the all the use candidates and everyone they will be giving us. So basically, they will give me the students and I will place them accordingly. So one more thing is like the only difference between the other trainers and me is like other trainers will just give you the training, but they don't care of your placement, whether you have been placed, whether you have uh, any other criterias like if you are having any issues, how to prepare the resume, how to get the calls, how to get help from interview perspective and everything. I'm saying now I have attended lakhs of interviews, ma. Honestly, I'm saying I have interviewed many interviews I have attended, and I have taken multiple interviews in my organization. So if there are any openings, right now also I'm saying if there are any openings in our organizations, I will definitely help you to get placed in my organization itself if there is an opportunity. And if I think that you are capable of doing the job, then I will definitely refer you. And one more thing, for each and every batch, we will be having 3 to 4 members who will definitely get the job on their own without any support. Okay, so we will be talking about support and everything later sessions. So for now, you just try to understand that you need to be very sincere in learning. Okay, the only job what I need from you is like sincerity. Even if you are learning or not learning is definitely fine. But the only thing which I need from you is like sincerity and discipline. Every day you have to join. Every day there will be the sessions from 9 to 10 a.m. in the morning. Okay. So please try to, even if you are from US or even if you are from Canada as well, no problem at all. We are having some users from USA, like 2 to 3 members we do have. So what I was trying to tell you is like, please try to prepare very well. This is your do or die situation, ma. So in this age, I'm honestly saying, in this age, this is the age not to prepare. This is the age where you have to settle down and see, take care of your parents and take care of your wife or husband if you are married. Okay, so that's the reason I'm saying this should be your first and last final decision. You have to make a decision and be consistent. And service now, we will be having multiple calls. Multiple members will say like there will be no calls, nothing else. Nothing else will be like that. Okay, service now will always be the placements. Definitely we will have. I will be showing with the proof, ma. Every month, Alhamdulillah, we will place multiple people. Okay, so the only thing here we are striking is like the one who is having the zero experience. Zero experience in the sense they are very talented actually. The students are very talented who are get trained near me. But if you are having zero experience, that means genuinity. I mean, wherever the non-IT you have done, whatever it is, that is fine. But the users, there will be some candidates where they are having zero knowledge. Zero, sorry, not the zero knowledge. I will say that zero genuine experience. For that type of students only, we are getting some issues. Why? Because nowadays they are asking for opening the bank statement. They are asking us to open the bank statement and then show the salary which they have been credited to your account. Okay, these type of things are happening, ma. So that's the reason. Out of 5 members, ma, 4 members are safe, and 1 member is having some issues with the documents which we keep. So forget about everything. So we do have taken out some solutions for that as well. So I will let you know what's the solution and all once after we complete the sessions. But the only sword which you are having is learning very well. That is the only thing which you are having in your hands. Okay, listen very carefully. This is your life, first and last chance God has given to you. Don't go here and there. Don't prepare for multiple modules. Like if you want to learn multiple modules in the world, you can learn very well. For every month, you can train. I mean, for every month, you can get the new tools and you have to learn all those things. No need of all those things. I'm saying just trust on God and trust on me. Just try to start your career in service now. You will definitely have a good life. Now, let us try to go with the, yeah. So actually, why we will be calling it as subject matter expertise in the sense, basically, I'm also from triple E background, ma. Triple E in the sense electrical and electronic engineering. So I too don't have any experience with ServiceNow in the past. Now I am in this situation where I was teaching you and I was working as a team lead, and not only for one project, they will drag me to multiple projects actually. So if you are good with the managers, if your team has been struck with anything else, what they will do is like they will just try to pull me in their projects as well for some days, like a short term resource. That type of things they will teach, they will pull me so that I will work on those projects as well. So what I was trying to tell you is like non-technical, even if you are in India or in US, whatever it is, if you are in India, try to go with the government jobs or else better do the software jobs. Even if you are doing non-technical for years and years and years and years, you will get only the amount of rupees 50,000 to 60,000 at the max. You can also see in your families or someone else who are working as a software professionals, those who are having around 2 to 3 years of experience, they will get lakhs of salaries. As because of the developer, he is the developer of the tool. Okay. Once taste the software tool, bro. If you are tasting that software now, then your life will be in a very good position. Okay. Don't ever underestimate yourself. God has given equal brains to everyone. Okay. Don't think that I don't know ServiceNow, I don't know that tool, I don't know this tool. No, nothing else. The only thing is like the importance which you give to the subject. And these many years you have when wasted your time, not wasted your time, and in fact, you are busy with your stuff. Yes. So later on, now in these early generations and in this huge population, we need to be in a good position. No one in a family or no one, if you are having a salary of 20 to 25 and you don't have a good car and you don't have any good salary and you don't have any good pay, then no one will care you, ma. I'm saying na, no one will care you definitely. Someone will say money can't do anything. No, money can do everything. Even you can build the relationships as well. You can also see in your families. Before getting the job, keep an eye on them. After getting the job, keep an eye on them. You will definitely understand the difference. Okay. So the only thing is like you have to work hard. Okay. And we are having a short life. In this short life itself, you have to prepare very well. Later on, get the job and do the job. Okay. So the only thing which I was, as you can see here, I was not only I was giving trainings for this JPS ServiceNow trainings and placements. I have trained Infosys, Cognizant, Accenture. That means I will be giving like corporate trainings actually. They will call it as a corporate trainings. So basically, if they will get some of the projects in them, if they don't know what is the service now, then that is waste of getting the project actually. So that's the reason what they will do is like they will hire some employees like me. So I will give them the trainings for around 500 employees will be there, 600 will be there. There will be some hundreds of employees in the organizations. Those who are interested, they will join. So I have given those type of trainings as well for big companies. Okay, let us try to go come with the service now. So now, why service now? What is meant by service now? Do anyone know what is meant by service now here? Anyone else in the team know what is meant by service now? Yeah, please go ahead. No problem at all. Why? Because you don't know what is meant by service now. That's the reason you are here. So just now, I mean, just before coming to this session, or have you listened about service now, or else?
Yes, Imran, it's kind of treating tool earlier. Now it's migrated to all the things like if you want to talk to the HR and if you want to
Perfect.
raise any queries. So we have to use the service now only in the bigger basis.
Perfect, perfect. So basically, why ServiceNow is very great boom because ServiceNow is like a cloud one. So there will be some lots of competitors for ServiceNow. So the competitors are one of the most competitor is like Jira. So as you can see here, I will be giving the representations like this. So in the graphical representation, I will teach you so that see this is about the integrations. This is about the tools. I mean how the integration flows, and these are all the things which I will be following up. Actually, I will be teaching you. No worries. Okay, so you will get a good and you will get some good feedback, or you will get good idea on how to get the job easily. So as you can see here, for each and every organization, ma. For each and every organization in the world, they have to have one ITSM tool for sure. ITSM. What is meant by ITSM? ITSM stands for Information Technology Service Management. What it is? Service management. What is meant by service management? The word itself is representing. I am giving the service. Okay. So basically, Jira will be there. Jira. So basically, Jira we are having Jira. We are having multiple things we are having actually. So basically, BMC remedy also we are having BMC remedy are having. So basically, if I want to purchase these particular tools now, even let's take this is service now. Okay. So let's take this is service now. So even even if you are working in any of the organizations, you might seen Jira, BMC Remedy, these types of ticketing tools, you can know it. So basically, why ServiceNow is in a good boom because ServiceNow will have a good ITSM tools and it can be purchased as a subscriptional basis. What it is? Subscriptional basis. Subscriptional basis. So why we are calling it a subscriptional basis? Because let's take for example, I will take you one small example. Okay. So we are having an Geo. Okay. In Geo, we are having some recharges like total pack is like 3500. Let us take 3500 is for total pack. Okay. So out of which there will be one pack which is 1800. Just take an example. Okay. 1800 only for calling. Okay, first try to understand this scenario. Later, I will attach these things to service now. Okay, so only for messaging, there will be for 500 rupees. Okay, only for 500 rupees. This is for messaging. So, are you getting any disturbance from my end, or else fine?
Fine.
Fine, right? So, as you can see here, only for internet, there is rupees 1000. Okay, internet. So basically, service now is like this. I mean, all the for Geo. Let us take for promo pack or something. Okay, promo or combo pack. So basically, you are in US. Okay, so your father doesn't use messages. Your father doesn't use calling, or your father just try to message you or call you something. Okay, so basically, you are a Geo customer. Okay, you are a Geo customer. So basically, your father will prefer only calling. You will be recharging with combo pack or else only this pack. Only calling, right? So is a human psychology. No one will go with combo pack. Even if you are if you don't know how to message or how to use internet, you will use only phone calling. Will you be using 3500 combo pack? You will be using this. Which one you will choose out of these four? Tell me. Just make
Calling.
this session as an interactive way, bro, so that it will be very good to you as well as me, so that I will understand very clearly. So yeah, tell me.
If we need calling, then
Only you
we recharge
will
with
only you
calling.
will purchase with this calling one, right?
Yeah,
No need to go with 3500, right? So in
yeah.
the same way, for ServiceNow as well, we are having multiple tools like ITSM. We are having ITAM. We are having CMDB. We are having around ITOM. We are having ITBM. We are having HRSD. All these tools we are having within service now. So basically these things we can purchase it actually. If my organization is using service management, I can purchase only ITSM. So you don't know about all these things, don't worry. So I was just telling you, these are like recharges. So ITAM we are having, ITAM stands for asset management. Asset management. So what is meant by asset management? So basically assets. So in the organization, we will be having lakhs of employees. Okay. Even if you are having lakhs of employees, what will you do? Will you be joining? Sorry. Uh, you will be giving two assets or three assets to one user? No, right? You will give only one laptop to one user. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, you will not give much, right? You will give
Yes.
only one laptop to one people. But if there are some issues with the laptop, what he will do? He will raise a complaint. Yes or no? Maintaining the asset is different,
Definitely.
complaining is different. Okay, maintaining the assets and everything will comes under the asset management. And if he is having any issue with that particular asset, he will be raising a query.
Service management.
Service query. So in the same way, in ServiceNow as well, we are having a subscription basis like this. So, but in Jira and BMC Remedy, we need to purchase the combo packs only. We don't have all these things. And one more thing, service. Let's take for example, you have bought one mobile phone, or else you have bought one a laptop, or a laptop you have bought. You have bought Dell laptop or Lenovo or whatever it is. We are having Dell. Let us take, we are having HP laptop, and we are having some laptop named called Wilson laptop. Okay, this is a new brand. Okay, we don't have. I was just created this brand for now. Okay, so Wilson brand. Okay, basically as per your this is cost around 1 lakh rupees. Okay, 1 lakh. This cost around 1.5 lakh, and this cost around 50K. Okay, as per your psychology, or else as per your thinking, which laptop you will use, ma? As per your thinking, just tell me. Some of the people will choose which one. Tell me.
Depends on money or else depends
Yes,
on
depends on money, and depends on,
and
most probably you will see money or service. Tell me. Okay.
service.
One more thing I will let you know. This is having 1 lakh, 1.5 lakh, and 5 lakhs. 50,000. Okay. So basically, Dell, you all know, this is very good one. HP also, it is very good one. And Wilson also, you don't know how this particular thing came. It just came to India, and we are trying to use those particular laptops. And multiple people are trying to raise a queries stating that these particular laptops are not working as expected. So, and one more thing is like, as soon as you buy this laptop, let's take for example, you have buy this laptop, within 2 days, when you are trying to turn on your laptop, it is not working as expected. That means it is turning on for 1 or 2 hours. Later on, because of overheat, it is getting switched off. Whenever you are trying to switch on again, it is not trying to turn it on again. What will you do? First and foremost thing, what will you do, ma? First, you will call the
Customer support.
customer support people. So, let us take customer support people. Customer. You are trying to call the customer support people. As soon as you call the customer support people, what he will do? He will raise a query. On behalf of you, he will be raising a query, right? Let us take,
Yes.
for example, the
Yes.
query number is this. Okay, so he will raise a query and then give it to you so that you can check online what is the status of this particular laptop. So what he will say is like, sir, I have created a case on behalf of you. Just wait for a few days so that my agent will, technical team will get back to you and resolve the issue as soon as possible. Will you be waiting for 1 week or 10 days or 1 month?
No.
No, right?
No. One. No.
You need to have the service as soon as possible. Yes or no?
Yes, exactly.
Yes.
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 Yeah,
Yes.
yeah. As because you have purchased this one, so the people who is coming to you and give the service is like very less. Very less people we are having. It is taking around 2 months. will you be taking this laptop? No, right?
No. No.
So
No.
only for 50,000 you are taking this laptop, that is fine, but it is not working as expected, but you will take this. No, right? The only thing nowadays in this uh, ongoing population or in this busy life, no one is caring about money. They are only caring about the service. Yes or no?
Yes.
You
Yes.
have to give the good service to the customer. So that's the reason we are choosing ServiceNow. And one more thing, this is a cloud-based ITSM platform. It is a cloud. Do you know what is meant by cloud here? Anyone else? Do you know what is meant by cloud? Why the cloud is used?
Storage.
Totally depends, on
It is
for
a
example,
external memory
Yes, it is like an memory, or else it is like an I can say it as it's not a physical. It is not a physical device. It is just like a cloud. Let's take for example YouTube is
server.
there, bro. Let us try to take YouTube. This particular video is there in your laptop. This particular video is there now. This particular video is there in your laptop. If I find in my this particular video, can I find this in my laptop? No, I can't find it in my laptop. I have browsed YouTube and then I open this. Yes or no?
Yeah,
Yes.
basically cloud is a database which is maintained by others.
Yes, I mean not only others, we can call it as it can be maintained by multiple users. Okay, so it is like a shared one where we can access all the things. It is, let's take a small example. This is your friend. Okay, your friend. Basically, there is one incident going on in front of his home. He has recorded a video. He has recorded a video. Once after he recorded a video, this particular video is saved in your friend's mobile. So basically, what you will say is like you will call your friend and ask you to share this particular video. So what are the things which you are having to share this video? Tell me. Nowadays, you call to your friend and asked him to share the video. What he will do?
WhatsApp,
He will be
WhatsApp.
WhatsApp,
he will be opening the WhatsApp
Instagram,
Instagram.
or else
Facebook.
whatever it is. He will be Google Drive or else
Yeah.
whatever the thing. So what he will do first? He will be using the WhatsApp and your friend will be accepting the video. That means this particular video is shared with you with the help of what? Cloud. You're getting my point. Now this is like a cloud anmata. This is a cloud. You have been access this particular thing in the cloud, and then from there your friend has been downloaded. There is some interface between your friend and you, right? That is not the cloud. Okay. Now let me try to navigate to this. So as you can see here, so one more simple example I just wanted to tell you. So I was trying to open the Google account. This is a Google page. Yes or no? I hope you all know this, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Actually, I don't want to show these two things here. I don't want to reflect these two things here. Can I do that?
No.
And I don't want this Google search here. I want to paste this Google search here.
You
In
cannot
this
do.
page, I
No,
don't
we
want to
cannot.
get this Google search here. I just wanted to paste this Google search. I just wanted to remove the Google search from here and I just wanted to paste it here. Is it possible?
It's not possible.
It's not possible. Why? Because I'm the just the user. I'm not the developer of Google. Yes or no?
Yes.
So now, ServiceNow, what he will do is like he will give you the total authority to do whatever it is. Okay. As you can see here, this is the ServiceNow platform look like. Okay, this is a logo. there is a LG logo which I have been created on my account and I have been pasted it over here. Whenever you are trying to click on this, it will be navigating to the home page. Okay. So now platform as a service, software as a service, okay, all these things will comes under software as a service. This you have been ServiceNow has been invented by whom? Do anyone know who has invented ServiceNow? Fred Lady. Okay, Fred Lady has been invented ServiceNow. Just try to listen carefully. Fred Lady has been invented ServiceNow in 2003. Okay, I will tell you this background and all. Just let me drink some. So as you can see here, so yeah, where I am, Fred Lady has been invented ServiceNow, right? So yeah. So now platform as a software as a service in the sense, Fred Lady has created ServiceNow. Once after he created ServiceNow, what he has done is like he has given in the market. He has sold in the product. He has sold this particular product in the market. So in our actual living as well, let us take for example, you have invented one mouse. Okay, you have invented one working mouse. You will be using for only yourself, or else you will be keeping this particular mouse in the Amazon and sell. You will be selling it,
We'll
right?
sell it. We'll
So
sell
no
it.
Sell
one
it.
will manufacture on his own purpose, right? The only thing what he needs is like money. So everyone needs money. So that's the reason he has invented the mouse and he has sold to all the users who has bought in the Amazon. In the same way, Fred Lady has invented ServiceNow and he has sold out ServiceNow to all the world. And
Users.
to all the organizations is sold. So one more thing is like ServiceNow is being used by multiple organizations. We will be having multiple organizations and basically right from Benz, right from Audi, right from Apple, everyone are using ServiceNow now. Even if they think can't they, let's take for example Apple we are having. Even if Apple thinks can't he create a new tool and use? But because of ServiceNow, they are using ServiceNow itself now. ServiceNow user friendly and it is having a very good interface. It is very good service we are having from customer. Everything. Okay. So that's the reason. As I said, use a small example here. Service. Service is the most and most important thing over here. Even if the ServiceNow crashes, this team will come and resolve the issues as soon as possible to you. Not for other tools like Jira, BMC, Remedy. We are having multiple. Salesforce also we are having. But that needs multiple scripting, that needs multiple languages to be known. For ServiceNow doesn't have anything else. ServiceNow has been built on his own APIs. API, do you know what is meant by API? Application Programming Interface. Okay. ServiceNow has been built on his own API. So what I was telling you is like even any developer, even if you are having good experience in coding, even if you are having good experience in technical skills, whatever it is, for ServiceNow it is you have to start from zero. That's the reason the one who is having the rich expertise, okay, rich expertise, the one who is having the less experience as well. Less in the sense zero as well. Zero experience as well. should start the service now from zero itself. You're getting my point? You have to start from zero. Even the one who is having the zero experience as well should start with zero only. So you and rich expertise on all the tools and zero experience as you has came to the same point here. Yes or no? So that's the reason for all the tools you need to have some background knowledge, like you need to have some javascript knowledge, you have to have some html css, those languages should be there. But for service now we need not to have all those things. Okay, we can easily crack the interviews, we can easily get the job placed. Even if you went to the organizations as well, if you are preparing for other tools like devops, other tools like oracle, all those things, by seeing your behavior, they can understand that you are a fake guy or else you are an working professional. But for service now, there is nothing like that. No one can understand that you are not doing the job, something like that. Okay, everyone will fall under the same one. Okay, there will be nothing like that. Okay, ma? That's the reason what I was telling you is like, even if you start from the zero knowledge, is fine. Okay, just what I was telling to you is like, just come with the empty brains. Remove whatever the frustration you are having at home. Even if you married an uneducated guy, whatever it is, just try to start your new career from now. Okay, there will be some mistakes in our lives, but choosing service now is not your mistake. This is your blessings from your God. Okay, just try to prepare very well and just placed. Okay, so now as you can see here, this is the history of service now actually. So it is founded in 2003. Initially, it is named as a GlideSoft. Okay, it has been renamed in 2006, became known as ServiceNow. Now also the current CEO is Bill McDermott. So as you can see here, the market success, market prices of ServiceNow. If you want to, what I can say, if you want to get more and more information regarding this ServiceNow as well, you can go with the documentation of ServiceNow. You can go with the market price of ServiceNow. The market price of ServiceNow will always be high. Okay. Now, as you can see, the key benefits. So now the key benefits of this training will be like, I can show my live instances, not only the developer instance which we are working. I will give you the live instances so that you will get a good experience on the instance. Whenever you are trying to work now, you will get a good experience on it. So now placement support will be there. I will give you the guidance for interviews and I will be giving the job assistance for sure 100%. I mean, forget about the job, Ray. Okay, I'm saying like you just need to take care of your hard work. That's it. As you can see here, I will tell you some. I will show you the interview questions which I have been prepared. So now, as you can see here, see how many questions I have been prepared. I wantedly attend the interviews and I will note it down all the interview questions as well. So that at the time of starting of interviews, it will be very easy to attend the interviews and you can easily get your job easily. So as you can see here, these are all the interview questions which I have been worked on. Okay. So as you can see, I will be giving a simplified learning. As I said you, I will be giving like as an understandable way by giving some diagonal representations in the graphical representation also I will give so that you will get a good approach on understanding the complex topics as well. Okay. So there will be some complex topics in service now. Okay. So not every tool is very easy. So out of 100% of the tool, we will be having around, I can say it as 80 percentage will be easy, ma. Okay, 80 percentage of the tool will be easy, and 20 percentage of the tool will be little bit typical. Okay, so this typical will decide your future. Okay, 80 percentage of the thing, even if you are a 10th class guy as well, because of my skills and my teaching skills, you will easily get 80% of thing. Because of this 20% only, you will get the job for sure. So for this 20%, you need to concentrate more. In 80%, you have to gain the 80% totally. Or else you have to prepare for 20% very well and you will get placed. Okay? Don't bother about this 20% as well. I am here to teach you. I will teach you very well in our understandable language. Okay? One more thing I just wanted to teach you is like, as you can see here, I will be giving the certifications as well. I mean, certification guidance I will give. Why? Because for completing the ServiceNow certifications in India, it will charge around 60,000 rupees. If you want to become a certified ServiceNow developer, okay, if you want to buy the voucher and write the exam, you will charge, they will charge around $300. Even if you are in US, $300. Okay. So as I said you, it is a service management where we can give the service to the customers. Okay. So HRSD is the one which we also working for. So nowadays, ServiceNow HRSD they are asking. So why they are asking about ServiceNow HRSD? Because in organizations, if you are getting the offers from any of the organizations, you will be getting some joining kit. Okay, you will be getting some orientation mails. You will be getting all these the type of things, right? So these things you can achieve these particular things with the help of HRSD. In ServiceNow only, these are all the submodules. Okay, now you will get some doubt. Anna, if you are preparing for ServiceNow ITSM, then what about HRSD and what about the other tools like CMDB, CSM, FSM, ITOM, ITBM? So all those things have their own specialty, but the only thing is like difference in the tables and the table configurations. So as I said you, one more thing is like ServiceNow will be upgraded for year twice. Like the way your mobile phone has an upgradations, right? Like the way your mobile phone will have, right? Let's take for example your mobile phone is OnePlus, okay? You have taken OnePlus 12, okay? After 5 to 10 days, your mobile will get one upgradation message on the top. So you will be upgrading this mobile. When you try to upgrade this OnePlus mobile will be converted to Apple.
No.
Huh? No, right?
No.
Only some patches, only some bug fixes, those things will get upgraded, but the mobile will be same, right? The look and feel will be getting different. Yes or no? The
Yes.
icons, the feature of using that particular mobile phone, those type of things will get
Changed.
used, right? Now, in the same way here as well. Arey, now someone else are calling me now to join the session. It's ending. Have you joined? Yeah, bro. So what I was telling you is like, even if you are trying to upgrade, in the same way, ServiceNow as well will have the same upgradations, ma. Per year, we are having two upgrades. How many, ma? This would be the interview question. They will ask these type of questions as well. How many upgradations will be there? Two
Two
upgradations
updates.
in a year
Yes.
with the European names, European alphabet names, with alphabetical names. So yeah, one example I will tell you, ma. Okay. So now as you can see here, let us take the difference between the HRSD and ITSM in ServiceNow. Okay. Let us take ServiceNow. In ServiceNow, we are having some modules like HRSD, ITSM, asset management, all those type of things. So now you are getting an issue with your laptop or desktop. You will be calling the HR and telling, or else you will be calling to the IT people and say,
Just simply calling to IT people and have this issue.
yes. But not the HR, right? What HR will do? let's take for example, you have got the less salary this month. You will be calling to the IT team and saying that I got a less salary. Can you please let me know why this salary has been less? Will you be asking them?
No,
No.
no, we will call to HR.
You will be calling whom?
HR.
HR.
HR. So that is the thing, ma. You are getting my point?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Now, in the same way, ServiceNow will implement ITBM. ITBM. Basically, the ServiceNow is same, but there are multiple modules within ServiceNow. What ITBM will do? ITBM will business. How many projects are there in the organization? Okay, how many projects are there? How many projects are there? How many members should be there for a particular project? All those things will get trackable in ITBM. So that's the reason SAP is there, no bro. SAP success factor, SAP SD, sales and distribution. So most probably SAP has gone down because of ServiceNow only. Nowadays SAP no one is using. They are all are using ServiceNow itself. So this is the difference between all those things. Okay, now field service management. This is also one thing actually. So let us take for example, uh, I have a washing machine. This particular washing machine, one particular user has been bought the washing machine. Right? Okay, this particular user has bought the washing machine. So basically, let us take LG washing machine. Once after he buys this particular washing machine, after 30 days, he got the issue. After 30 days, he got the issue. He will be raising a complaint by calling the help desk, people. So basically, what help desk people will say, they will be taking a time of 7 days or 5 days or something. Okay. Once after they take the time of 7 days, what they will do? They will be sending a person. This LG people will send a person to your home, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Technician, we will call it as. Some LG people will send a person to your home, technician to your home. That means, can't it be solved? This particular LG washing machine, can't it be solved in the online by taking the remote control? Can I solve this?
No.
No, right? Why? Because this is a physical device. It doesn't have an internet within it, right? Nowadays, there are smart machines are there, smart Wi-Fi connecting washing machines are there, but you can do only switching off, switching on. Just see the progress of that particular LG washing machine. Those things you can do, but can you do more? No,
No.
right? You can't do, right? So for that, we need to send some field service manager. Field that this will comes under the field FSM service management. Okay, field service management. This comes under the field service management. Basically, where the service now will come into picture is basically the help desk person will create one form, right? He will be opening one form and filling up all the details, right? He will be opening this form and filling up all the details. Where is the customer? Where is the location of the customer? What is the mobile number of the customer? Where he will stay? Whether what is the actual issue he is having? This particular form designing is there, right? Form designing. This
Yeah.
particular form designing will comes under the service now. Developer. Now the developer, where the developer comes, basically let us take this is the mobile number. Okay, this is the mobile number. So basically, my mobile number is like 9014403436. Okay, so but basically there is one customer, there is one mobile number called 901440 3A 3B. Do we have this mobile number in the world?
No.
Will you be having this mobile number?
No.
Why?
No, no, mobile number is in numerical word only.
Yes. Mobile number should accept only what?
Numerics.
Numerics only. It should not accept digits,
Alphabet.
Alphabets.
right? Sorry, alphabets it should not accept. It should accept only
Number.
alphanumerics. Sorry, only numerics it should accept. It should
Yes.
not accept
Alphabets.
alphabeticals. This type of enhancements as a ServiceNow developer you will be doing, ma. And one more thing, uh, there will be the location or else fine. Email ID. Let us take email ID. My email ID is uns318 at gmail.com. Okay, this is the domain, right? This is my personal email ID. Yes or no? So in the same
Yes.
way, do we have any email ID like uns.com? Do we have like this?
No.
Basically, this should have at the rate as well as domain.com. Yes or no? It
Yes.
should be in the format of this. If any user is trying to give the name with a different format, we should not give. Yes or no, ma?
Yeah, true.
These type of scenarios you will do, ma. And one more thing, if you want to get the assets from the organization, okay, if you want to get some assets from the organization, first what will you do?
We'll raise a service
You
request.
will be raising a service request. You will be raising a service request. Once after you raise a service request, it should go for the approval of manager approval. Once after the manager approves, then only it should go and create a task to other people, stock room. It should check the stock room. After that, yeah, as because this is the employee is in the organization, so we need to have some fulfillment team. Fulfillment team to install the softwares. So after that, we need to send a notification stating that laptop is ready to collect. Laptop is ready to collect. So basically, once the employee has been raised the service request, it is going to the approval of manager. Once after he approved, it is going to the stock room and check whether the particular in stock room whether the asset is available or not. Once after the available is there, then only it should go for the notification and send the correct the laptop. Basically, this is like a cycle. Yes or no?
Yes.
In the same way, we are having as a ServiceNow developer, you need to set all these things. This is the duty of your ServiceNow developer. Okay. So now coming back to this. Okay, what's the time now? Oh my God, it's already 1 hour. Huh? So as you all know, this is a low code ma. ServiceNow is low code development. That's the reason if you are having a non-technical background as well, no problem at all. Just come and listen to the classes and everything will get sorted out. Now, as I said you, the scenarios I said, send an appropriate, send incident priority to high and create a related incident task, create a flow for item, first approval of, yeah, one more thing, Ray. There is some enhancements. Like once after the service request has got created, it is going to the approval of manager. Okay, that is fine. Manager approval is fine. Now, once after the manager haven't approved for 3 days or 4 days or 5 days, he is waiting still for the asset only. Yes or no? He will be waiting only after approval only. It will go to the other tasks, right?
Yes.
Once after he is waiting for 5 days, still the manager is not approved. Then what should happen? Still he should wait? No, right?
No.
No, it should be
No.
auto approved or else it should be declined.
Perfect. It should auto. Yeah, you said that actually. Now what I will tell you is like, now he is not from his department. That's the reason he is not approving. What you will do then? So That's the reason. Once there will be, he is a reporting manager. Employee is a reporting manager of manager approval 1. Let us take the manager name is manager 1. If he is not approving for 5 days, again what it should have is like manager it should go for approval. Manager. Even if he is not approving, even if he is in a long leave or those type of scenarios, then it should go for the manager approval. Again, it should wait for 5 days. Again, it should wait for 5 days for approval. Even if he is also not approving again, it should go for manager approval again. Manager approval. Okay, these type of scenarios will be having these type of things you will be achieving this in the service now. Okay, not more than this. Okay, so assigning the task. Okay. One more thing is like I will be giving the each and every topic in detail, and one more thing is like you have to complete the task each and every day. And one more thing is like this would be like uh, every day we will be having the daily sessions. Okay, and I will be recording the sessions and I will be sending it over here. Okay,
Okay.
every day will be the recording sessions. Every day will be the 1 hour session. You please try to join those sessions. Okay.
Sure.
Right, ma. I'm done for the day. If you are having anything else, just let me know, and we are good with this.
Hi Imran, this is Shasta. How I will get the next class invite?
Next class in a sense.
I mean for other session.
Okay. So same link, ma.
Okay,
Okay. If you want to tomorrow also there will be some demo. Okay. If you
okay,
want to join, you can join, or else from Monday we can start the sessions.
sure. Thank you.
Okay. So just try to message me on WhatsApp. Either you can message us on both the numbers like 90144 03436 is the primary number. Okay. And 8898565222 this would be the secondary number as well. You will get this is with admin actually. Okay. So you can directly ping him or else me for the next process. Okay. Any doubts, anything else, just let me know. Or else you can come back to me. I will let you know what all the things need to be done in the next process. Okay. On daily basis, there will be 1 hour session. I will be daily starting the sessions from Monday. Okay. Tomorrow as well, there will be the demo. There are some guys who has missed. So tomorrow I will give some demo. Later on, please try to come on Monday. Okay. Either you can come to me and attend the classes, or else you can also do it from online like Zoom call, which we are having now. Okay. Any doubts, ma? Anyone else?
Where you will share the recording classes?
Yeah. Please try to send me the email IDs of you. I will share it with
Okay.
you. Okay.
Okay. Okay, bro.
Okay, ma. Thank you so much for your valuable time. It's really nice talking to you all.
Same here, Imran. Thank you.
Thank you. If you
Yeah,
want to give
thank
me
you.
feedbacks or if you want to have anything else new, just let me know.
Sure.
Yeah,
Okay,
sure.
fine.
Thank you. Have
Bye.
a nice day.
Have a nice day, ma. Please share me your email IDs here. I will share it with you.
Sure.
Yeah. Bye bye.